Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
All right, for the sake of the video, we took the wheel off. You don't have to take the wheel off to remove the bumper, but it's easier to show in the video. You could just turn the wheel to the side to access these bolts. So the next part we're gonna do is we're gonna take this clip off right here. I'll just use a clip removal tool. Pull the center part out a little bit. Then the clip will come out. Now I'm gonna remove these bolts. I'm gonna use an 8mm socket and a ratchet. This procedure is going to be similar to the passenger side. Take these bolts out. This is a 8mm. Using the same 8mm socket and ratchet. Clipped in right here. Just use a trim tool to slide it over. This piece, slide this way. And then we're gonna have to disconnect this air temperature sensor. There's a little connector right there. Push down on the connector, pull it out like that. Right. To pull the fog light bulb out, just twist and pull it out, just like that. Disconnect the connector right here, and there's your fog light bulb. This one happens to have yellow fog light bulbs. This bulb is a 9006, happens to be a yellow tint. Normally it's not a yellow tint. So we're going to reinstall this bulb, connect the connector, and line this up, and then twist, and that's locked in place. All right, now we're going to reconnect this connector for the ambient air temp sensor. Just slide it on, just like that. We'll line this inner fender well up top. That goes underneath, and then on the front side of the bumper, this goes above. And over here, this is going to lock in place over here, right here. It's going to slide in like that. Right, now we're going to install these 8mm bolts or screws right here and right here. Right, now we're going to snug these up. Just tighten that snug, and then this one as well. Just snug. I'm going to put another screw right here. Put a screw right here. Get those in there. And we'll snug those up.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.